I had a viewer ask me the other day if they was biting from the bank yet, and I haven't really fished, so come down here this morning and bank fish, see what happens. Hadn't had enough cold fronts to really push the fish in, but we'll see what happens here. Oh man, giant speck. Wow, wasn't expecting that one. I think the biggest specks I got all year. Oh, look at that speck. Wowzer. Well, they got a guy fishing on the pier. Me and him both picked up a speck at the same time, right at 6:10. So if a bite will turn on this morning, you never know what's going to happen here, though. That could be the only fish of the day. Something hit in close. It's a speck. Oh man, another nice speck. Speck. So come out here to check out the bank fishing. Hadn't had a lot of cool fronts this year, but I wanted to see if there was any in here, and I got 3 specks. Hopefully I'll pick up a few more. I'll stay about another hour and a half, see what the day brings. Redfish hit right by the bank there. He might even be 16. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Right by the bank. Let's see what we got for the red. For the red. Oh yeah, way over 16. About 16 and a half. Nice redfish from the bank. Real pretty red from the bank. I'll take them. I was just wondering if there was any more action to be had this morning. And boom. So every fish I've caught this morning has been in close. The specks and the red. So when I'm out there in the kayak, I throw toward the bank and catch them along the edge. And then when I'm out here on the bank, I throw out toward the middle, wishing I could cast further. but they've all been in close today, so something just hit in close again. I think it's another red. Yeah, a little rat red maybe. Tighten my drag a little. Got another little rat red. Oh, he ain't gonna make 16. Nice bite though. Nice bite. I had my lure come in a little while ago with the tail up on the hook, and usually that's when something bites, stretches it, and it comes off. Oh, come on, come on, come on! I'll release you if you're small. You're full of mud now. Oh, what a! Come on. Probably should just throw you back. 15 and a half. That's sufficient to make you stay a little longer. Another one just hit right there, right in close. Little rat reds. Well, that's a pretty one there. Come on, buddy. I know you're not even close. Try to keep you from getting muddied up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots. 9 spotter. Everything's been in real close today, right along the edge here. The specks, the reds, everything. So the bank fishing action is on. It's time to start hitting it heavy. It should have a good bite all the way till March. Get better with every cold front. Well, I just had to put a new bait on. Lost another one. That's the only downside to bank fishing here is you will lose a lot of swim baits and a lot of tackle. But when it's on here, it's on. The action's heating up. It ain't full-blown winter kill them from the bank yet, but you can come down here and get enough for a fish fry now. All right, let's do a death bucket count. So we got 1 red, and look at these specks, as big as the red. 1 red and 3 big mule specks. I had a viewer ask me if it was time to start fishing from the bank down here in Port Sulphur yet, and the only way to find out was to come give it a try. So I stayed 3 hours. I ended up catching 3 giant specks, like 16 to 18 inches, 1 legal red and 2 throwback red. So it ain't on fire big time like the winter yet, but bouncing a swim bait on the bottom and 3 keeper specks and a redfish is a good little quick morning trip. So is it time to go bank fishing yet? Yes. Till the next video, get out there and go fishing.